Hello there, American peoples. This is MC Recovery in the house. And yes, I'm coming with that scream. I know it's been a while. I went to church way earlier. This is real late. Hopefully, this gets some some of us a good wake up call in the morning. And we're going to talk about is there Trump and Elon stimulus refund check is coming. Is it? Let's take a little gander. I believe we're not really close enough to receive one just yet. And is it necessary? Being that we're trying to balance the budget as close as possible, is this a necessary thing to do? Y'all can put y'all answers right in the chat. Remember to subscribe right over here by the microphone. And I seen a few screams speaking on a refund check, so I'm a hope like hell that I don't do no struggle screaming. So is another stimulus check, and they talking about $5,000. Man, a whole lot of people could do a whole lot of things with $5,000, but then a whole lot of people could do less things with $5,000. So let's get this show on the road. Let me see if I can start. I'm trying to figure out which one do I really want to start with. I want to start with the one that have something to do with the creation of this check. So I found out that it was this cat right here. And let's take a peep at him. You know what I mean? Peep at whether or not this is going to be something good, true. Right, this guy right there. Let's check him out. I forgot his name, but we can get a gander at this, and we're gonna see what they're talking about.
I think the plan will be revealed in the coming week or so. That's what the optimism stems from. I don't want to break any news right here, right now.
We'd love for you to if you want to.
There you guys have it. James Fishback giving an update on the stimulus refund checks or the Doge dividend checks. This is from The Hill. I'm going to play for you the entire clip so that way you can see it for yourself. But he is saying that in the coming days here, and he doesn't want to give away a big announcement, but Congress is going to flip so that way you can see it for yourself.
See, that's what James Fishback said. President Trump and at Elon Musk should announce a Doge dividend, a tax refund check to every taxpayer funded exclusively with a portion of the total savings delivered by Doge. So you know they have their website, and this was posted on February the 18th, and that was a couple of weeks ago. So you know this is late news when that was posted. But let's speed it up and see what else is there talking about.
But he is saying that in the coming days here, and he doesn't want to give away a big announcement, but Congress is going to be providing something that is going to be pushing this forward, and he is extremely optimistic. So I'm going to share with you the latest news and updates, as I said, as things unfold regarding this potential $5,000 Doge dividend stimulus refund check. They're saying this is going to be the Donald Trump's stimulus plan. I'm going to keep you guys up to date, and this is the latest that you're going to be seeing that has come out just in about the past week or so, as we are hearing him say he doesn't want to play the video clips, so that way you can rest assured if Doge hits the goal of $2 trillion in clawbacks from the federal government. This is not new spending, but clawing back funds. They're saying giving 20% back to the American public would equate to $5,000 per taxpaying household. In addition to that, as soon as this had broke, back I believe it was around February 20th or so, if I remember correctly, I was sharing with you the headlines. Elon Musk expresses interest in sending Doge checks. We heard that Donald Trump got on board. Will Americans be getting a 2025 stimulus check refund thanks to Doge savings? You can see this was updated on the 21st. As soon as this was coming out, I was letting you know, and now we have new updates regarding what is going on. I'm going to play for you the clips, and we were seeing this stimulus checks 2025. We are hearing this is happening, and as you guys know, I am also checking for you regularly on daily the Doge live tracker. Now, anybody can check this. I have this linked in the description as well, doge-tracker.com, and you can see that it has bumped up to 100.
So there it is for the bump up part. But now I want y'all to take a gander at one more. Somehow I got off topic. And like they will speak on these checks. And how do I get that back out? Oh, stop that screen. There it is. So a new refund check possibility, depending on how close that we get to that, to bringing down this budget. Now, I had a video, I misplaced it, and man, this is not easy at times. So let's scroll down. Well, I'm gonna scroll down, and the reality check. Let me find a real recent one. Where's Jimmy? Jimmy can come to the rescue. This is 2 hours ago. Stimulus refund, big news. Oh, that's the same guy. Now I don't see the Jimmy one, but this one right here is a trip too. Here it is. Oh, that sounded statically all of a sudden. So here we're gonna go, and we're gonna check out Jimmy. I don't know how I figured out this one, but this one just announced something right here. Here we go. This is a podcaster. He had put some news out, but then his is like, let's check them out. Just announced Trump stimulus refund check for millions of Americans. Huge, huge news. Let's see if a possibility.
Americans here, and I'll let you hear it in this video. Right in here, we are live.
Oh man, this is not a good one. Somebody must be copying him. They wasn't doing that earlier. Wow. Oh, I guess he took it down. One day ago.
We are live right now here. Let me know if
Fishback, CEO of the investment firm Azor.
Oh, so something weird is going on. So fair use, I don't know where is that coming from, but it's a trip. Is it the sound of me being live? That's what's on Jimmy page. So if y'all get a chance, go watch It's Jimmy. Let's get back to the other part of the show. Now I really got to find some stuff for y'all. Shit. Because this is getting nerve-wracking now. That's 9 days ago. Where's the one? Here it is. I'm going to got too many windows open. It's Jimmy. Jimmy, you ain't acting right. Will you get a dose signature? Here's what we know. Now, they may be optimistic on this. Let's check out this 6 days newscast. Now earlier these things was playing good. Let's check out this one. Oh, it's me. That's what's happening. It's me doing this. Somehow things don't want to crack up. Epic real estate investment. Let's get this breakdown. This is the one. 2 days ago. Now, I know things is going to run smoothly now. Trip this out. I believe we're here.
Actually happening. First up, Sovereign Wealth Fund has launched. Trump's executive $1,000 check story to the Sovereign Wealth Fund. Here's what's actually happening. First up, Sovereign Wealth Fund has launched. Trump's executive order created the first U.S. sovereign wealth fund to invest government assets. But here's the catch. It's funded by selling mineral leases, not TikTok buyouts, despite the viral. Sovereign Wealth Fund has launched. Trump's executive order created the first U.S. sovereign wealth fund to invest government assets. But here's the catch. It's funded by selling mineral leases, not TikTok buyouts, despite the viral rumors. The Mexico and Canada tariffs, those have been delayed. 25% tariffs have been paused until April 2nd for USMCA compliant goods. Why it matters? Auto stocks, General Motors and Ford rallied 6% on the news. Relief for car buyers for now. The Doge dividend proposal, it still exists. Trump and Musk's proposed personal financial reset includes $5,000 payments to Americans. The reality check here is only $55 billion saved so far. We need 36 times that to fund just one round of checks. Oh, wait a minute, this just in.
Doge claims it's saved taxpayers $105 billion so far. And then the president praising Musk for leading the charge. And he also suggested it could help him check off another campaign promise.
So now, I know that was real crappy sound bites and stuff, but wow, that just give you a little clue of how far have they gotten. And I'm at the end of the screen because the sound wasn't doing this earlier when I was practicing. And I'm gonna give y'all a little peek at what's on the website now. Now, what's on the website now is this, and this is how we're looking as Americans in the United States, the Doge website. So as y'all see, right there is it's right up there is 105 billion estimated savings, and amount saved per taxpayer $652. So we're really not close. So we're really not close enough. So that previous screen, which was clear earlier today, suggests that we need 36 times more to cover all of the Americans in this great city. So thank y'all for showing up. Forgive me for the crappy sound in the background. And remember, do this thing one day at a time. Okay, y'all? And I'll be seeing you. Yeah. Peace. Bam.